Hey, Germaine here, and today I'll be sharing with you on how to generate leads with as little as $5 to $10 per day. And I have a strategy that I know that works that's going to help you get hundreds and hundreds of leads on a daily basis. I've done Facebook ads in the past where you got to build your threshold up to at least $175 before you can even run ads. And then once you run your ads, Facebook will disable your accounts because their algorithms is so sensitive to certain keywords to the point where they'll shut your ad accounts down. Then you have to fight to try to get your ad accounts back up and live. Uh, but I'm be sharing with you the strategies that I use on a daily basis, and I know that they work. So I want you to take copious notes. Yeah, I'm the one on YouTube that's going to tell you to take notes because I got a lot of valuable information that I want to share with you and strategies. So it's going to be a lot of good information. So check it out, and I'll see you on the end. Your customers are waiting for you. They are out there, and I realize that you are watching this. Some of the people that's watching this video may not ever have made money online or made a couple of $100s per month online. Still, the fact is your customers are waiting for you. Maybe you do not have any customers right now, but I do believe after watching this training, you will be able to go out and make some sales and get people to join whatever business you're with. They exist and they are waiting for you on the internet. They're ready to meet you, but you may be wondering, where are they? They're on YouTube. Did you know YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world? They have over 2 million active users. Just think about it. Most people that look up whether they want to fix a car, comedy, uh, hair, you name it, just about everything, you can find just about anything you want on YouTube. That's 90% of users saying that they always looking up new products on YouTube because they are always coming out with different video contents daily. That's over 720,000 plus hours of video content uploaded daily on YouTube. That's just straight remarkable. YouTube is responsible for over 37% of all internet traffic. That is crazy. YouTube is very powerful, and this is exactly how I'm gonna show you how to get leads on a daily basis when it comes to YouTube. Your ideal customer is on YouTube. Now it's about will you meet up if they will purchase something from you or not. But we do know your customers is on YouTube. So if you look at the video on the right, that video is called in-stream YouTube video ad. And let's talk about the in-stream video, what an in-stream video ad is. Seen a video or ad pop up where you choose to skip through? That is called an in-stream video ad because it shows up in the middle of the video and you're watching. The beauty of this is YouTube allows you to get extra targeted leads, meaning there are certain channels people are subscribed to. And I stated earlier in YouTube, it's the second largest streaming platform in the world. They will allow you to show your ad to anyone who subscribes to a specific channel. In the power of $5, only 1 to 2 cents per view. For $5, that's 200 to 500 views per day. 10% conversion rate equals 20 leads per day. 10% sale rate, that's 1 or 2 sales per day at 100% commissions. You can make serious money with just 1 or 2 sales per day. Okay, let me give you an example. For example, let's say Bitcoin. If someone is talking about Bitcoin's businesses or how to make money with Bitcoins online or on YouTube and they have over 30,000 subscribers, you can be sure if someone subscribed to that channel, they are looking for opportunity when it comes to Bitcoin. It's the same strategy I use to get you here today. YouTube will allow me and you to be able to share ads only to the YouTube channel that people subscribe to in the business they're looking to. That is how you can know your customers and make sure you're targeting the right audience. If they click on the button or the link, they will come to my capture page. And on my capture page, it will capture their name and email address to get more information. And I can send them more information about the offer. Lots of you are on the webinar because you went to the same capture page or you see my YouTube ad. So whatever you set up your campaign, you will be able to do the exact same thing. This is all a part of the YouTube strategy. Wow, I'm so glad I was able to share this valuable information with you all. So what I want you to do now is take this information, implement it, and get results. Also, I want you all to sign up for my free training. So click on the link below, sign up for my new training in the description below. And I will see you on the other side.